How to remove Netflix search history. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video, I'll be showing you how you can remove Netflix search history. So in order to remove your Netflix search history, there is no such thing as search history on Netflix. So basically what happens is that when you search for a movie or a series on Netflix, there will be no such thing called search history. So basically if you tap on the search bar, you'll be able to see top searches. Now these are all the top searches that affects what you've actually watched. Now these also indicate that these are all the top searches in your particular region, other country where you're actually residing on. Now it is also affected by what you've actually watched on your previous content. So there is no way to remove a search history thing. In fact, there will be no history as search history. So nobody will be able to see what you've actually searched on this particular field or what you've actually typed in. So what you can do is, instead of your search history, you can simply remove your watch history or your viewing history, which will be located right over here. As you can see, these are all my viewing history. If you want to remove it, so click on the three dot icon next to it and click on remove from row. Click on the OK button and this particular content will be removed from this particular viewing history. Now this is not a temporary solution. What you can do is, apart from that, you can log in from a web browser. Open up a web browser and then on the web address bar type in netflix.com or log in into your Netflix account. After that, you'll be directed to the home page. Over here, go ahead and click on the trial bar icon located in the upper left corner of your screen. After that, go ahead and click on account, which will be located right on top. So once you're on this page, what you need to do is you need to scroll down right to the bottom. You'll be able to see profile and parental control. On this page, you need to select the profile for which you want to remove the search history or the viewing history. Now let's see that for this particular account, and after that you need to go to viewing history. As soon as you've done that, you'll be able to see all of your viewing history. In order to remove it, click on this cross icon located next to it, and that is basically how you can remove. Do the same procedure for the rest of the other episode. So in this way you can remove a search history on Netflix. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.